today I have a new project. My new project is to find diode characteristic using Proteus. So we click to the new project and then change the project name to diode. Click next and finish. Okay, for diode characteristic we have two types of circuit. First is forward bias and second circuit is reverse bias. So first component in forward bias circuit is resistor. So click to the P symbol and search res 470R. Okay, click OK and place the resistor here. And then the second is diode. Diode 1N 407, which is silicon diode. Put it here. Then we need ground. For the ground, terminal and ground. Place it here. Okay, we need to rotate the diode. Okay, and then we connect the circuit using wire. Okay, after that, this is for forward bias circuit. Okay, second is for reverse bias. So we need the same thing, is resistor, diode and ground. So we take the resistor, put it here. Second is diode, then is ground. Okay, we need to rotate the diode upward, so it means reverse bias. Connect the circuit wire. Okay, name the circuit is reverse bias. For the next is the value of resistor 2 is 1K. We need to change it to 1K. And then we add the DC generator. For the DC generator, right click, place, go to the generator and choose DC and place it here. And then we connect with the circuit. After that, we need probe. For the probe, same thing, right click, place probe and choose current and put it on the circuit. Okay, the names need to be changed. We can double click and change the name to VD1 for the generator name. After that, we need to click to the manual edit and then the value change to X and then OK. After that, for the probe current, double click, change the name to ID1 and then OK. For the reverse bias circuit, we need to add DC generator. Right click, place generator and DC, put it, then connect the circuit. And then we need probe. So same thing, place and probe and current, put it on the circuit. After that, change the name of DC generator to VD2 and then click the manual edits and change the value to X. Okay, the current probe, double click and change the name to ID2. Okay, Next, we need to find the graph. So we right click, place graph and search DC sweep. To put the graph, we just drag and make a right there. After that, for reverse bias, like this. Okay. After that, we need to edit the graph. Double click the graph. The name for the graph is forward. And then the start value from 0 change to the negative 100. Stop value 1.5. And then okay. After that, for the second graph is double click, name change to reverse, and then start value from 0 change to negative 100. Stop value 1.5, and then click to the OK. After that, when the circuit is finished, after that we need to double click. We need to right click the graph and choose add traces. The forward bias is probe P1, choose for ID1 and OK. For the second graph, right click, add traces, probe P1, put ID2 and then OK. Okay, to run the graph and see the line, we need to click the graph from green to red like this. From green to red, and we hold the spacebar. Okay, we can see here the line of the graph is here for forward bias, and then for the reverse bias, we click to the graph from green to red color, then hold the spacebar. Okay, so the line is here. So that is the tutorial how to find diode characteristic using Proteus. So that's all from me. Thank you.